Hello, welcome to iBuySoft channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a new HP laptop that came in yesterday. This is a 14-inch HP ProBook 455G7. If you are interested in this computer, just keep watching this video and let us to find out what's inside and how it looks like. Let's go. Instructions. Computer. The cord and the AC wall plug. This laptop is a silver color and I have a 2015 MacBook Air here. You can see the different silver from the Mac computer. The HP laptop has a gray tint in its silver. You can see the height of the two different computers. Obviously, the HP laptop is much higher, thicker than MacBook Air. The size of this 14-inch HP laptop is almost the same size as the MacBook Air 2015. The camera is 720 pixels with 2 microphones on both sides. And you can see the sides of the screen are very narrow, make the whole screen look bigger. What impresses me most of this laptop is that they have a variety of ports. The left side has an SD card reader, which is very useful. And on the right side, it has a headset connector, Type-C connector, and 2 USB 3.0 ports, and HDMI, and the power connector. I will list all the tech specifications of this laptop here, and overall it's a good choice for office work and for study. Simple image or video editing work should be possible too. It may not be your choice if you want to use it for games that demand for high graphic performance. And I've seen some reviews of this kind of laptop that people complain about the brightness settings and single RAM. Thank you for watching this quick video about unboxing this HP laptop. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. See you very soon. Have a nice weekend.